This is a certified hood classic.
That guy's 4 weapons on him. He's got an SMG, a shotgun, a pistol, and a knife. People right there trying to. He's gonna die. Oh shit! I just got shot at. Dude, no way! He fucking got cracked him. He's one tap. One more. He's one tap, bro. He's got a shotgun. Oh, there's 2 of them on you. One more.
No, I killed 2 of them.
Trent, you went down like a savage, bro. That was awesome. Good job, dude. That last guy that killed you too, he stunned me and I shot him right in the chest and he didn't die.
This lobby's gonna be fun, Mason. There's a solo with an AKM, and then the duo on the very left have good guns. VSS and an RPK.
The aim is super hard in this game. Oh shit, Trent, we have to stick around for the airdrop now. He made it blue.
Oh, we got good drop too.
Yep.
Alright.
We can go for a signal detector if you want.
But try and find
Probably
you like a little long range gun too.
Right, if I can find a damn like Mosin or something, that'd be nice.
I was just gonna say, find a Mosin would
A
be
bear
crazy.
trap. I'm gonna put it on these stairs, so just stay off these stairs.
Alright.
Oh, they're
I
at the
picked up a
signal
bandage.
detector.
What,
They're at the number 1 star. Yep, they're right there. They know we're here too. We're coming down at them. Oh, right in front of me, I'm getting behind the train because he's gonna fuck me up. Right in front of me, bro.
I see him. I don't think he sees me.
No, he don't.
He
He
jumped
has no
off the
idea
back.
where we're at. I see him. He's still looking right at us. That's the solo. The guy with the AKM. He needs to get closer so I can fucking crash him. Who's he aiming at?
God.
Oh, Trent!
Revolver God.
They're looking for the other switch right now. I see him. Revolver God. Left side of the White House. Watch, he's going right.
I'm gonna try and get a different angle.
They
Stay right there.
They might know we're here. There is 2 of them here. So be fucking careful. I'm thinking about getting a right side angle crossing the road. Should I do that?
I'm back here up on this top.
I'm crossing the road.
I'm gonna peel back and steal your spot that you had.
Do it. I'm behind the house, but I don't see anybody back there. They didn't open the safe yet.
They're probably fled.
Still
They might
switches on
be.
the safe signal, and I can just stalk this place. Watch it.
Here, I can stock it if you can use it. I don't remember where it's at.
It's directly behind you. It's so close to you.
Oh, alright.
Look at the signal detector on the map. I'm not seeing them. Are they there still?
Yeah, they're right there.
Zoom in all the way and ping one of them. Zoom in as far as you can on them.
One's right there. That's the farthest one. And then there's one right there.
They're fucking baiting us from the woods, bro. Little bastards.
Wood baiter bastards. Team killer. Mason, did you kill me, bro?
Yeah, I killed you. Sorry.
That one made you think.
No, it's because I'm looking at my screen from so close. Are they mortaring me?
Yeah, I think so. No, they're mortaring this
themselves.
place.
Got one. Got one. He was crawling out in
You
the
got
field.
one?
I fucking sprayed him. First
Alright,
person,
cool.
dude.
So there's what, like one left?
There's one more. I think he's inside, maybe. Yeah, I'm just wall banging because I got a high caliber gun. High caliber guns can shoot through walls.
I can wallbang with this, can I?
I don't know, because it's a smaller, stout round, you know.
Hmm.
He could be back here in the grass. He is. He's in the grass, dude. He just crashed me. He's in the flowers.
You dead?
Straight north. 345. Yep, he's going to my body. He's on my body. Take him down.
Revolver God.
Loot's all yours, Trent. Trent, you can shoot it down if you just spray into it. Jump and crouch.
Can't jump.
Crouch jump.
Fuck it. Not like anybody's gonna shoot me.
Right. Open that safe, grab the other one. In the other building is the safe that is the time safe that you opened, Trent. You can grab that loot right now.
Oh, really? This
Yep.
red one?
Yeah, in there. There's that safe.
SKS.
Decent.
Take that.
Airdrop incoming. Get ready.
And the airdrop's coming. And I got this place to exit out of. Come on, hurry up, bitch.
Hmm? Yeah, Trent's a demon for that, dude.
Here we go. Ooh, a RPK and a sawed-off. Should I take the RPK instead of the SKS? Oh, I
yeah,
can take it all.
day. Oh, nice.
Then I still have one more slot for the crate. Where's the airdrop at? I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I'm sad
on
I
the
didn't
hill.
get blue airdrop. I let dumbass kill me.
What waypoint am I to? I ain't even trying to fuck so wild on Netflix and chill.
I'm trying to fuss a while on Netflix and chill.
I got iodine too. Let's go. That was the best Revolver God encounter I think I've ever had.
Best encounter you've had?
For a revolver, like as you know,
That's
Revolver
one
God.
of the best encounters dude, you just got fucking both the loots, both the safes, dude. That's a golden encounter right there. You probably got so much XP.
And I had 2 kills, 1 headshot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 5,000 XP. 5,760.
Yeah, that's insane.
I've been told if they stupid, his head explode.
Top of the Benz and then I'm broke. You and your guys, let's say boss. And